Ryder, come
I
here.
still have toast. Go see Graham. No, no, no. You don't eat Grammy's food with your hands. Sorry.
Oh, Ryder.
Go see Mommy.
Come here.
Now her hiccup stopped.
I know. I got a couple of them, though.